cooking. Hello and welcome to Super Seren's cooking show. Oh, today I'm on a tour around the world, so I'm a bit busy to do some cooking, so I've asked Sloth to take my place. Oh, I'm in Antarctica and it's very cold. Sloth's going to be making a sandwich for us today. Is that okay, Sloth?
Yep, leave it with me, boss.
Good luck. Did you know that the sandwich was invented by the Earl of Sandwich in 1762? Wow!
Today we're going to be making cheese sandwiches, but I thought that sounded a little bit boring, so I thought we could spice it up a little. So for today's sandwich you will need some plain flour, some fishy feast, because I thought if the goldfish likes it, it's probably good, some chili flakes, some eggs, some cheese of course, some Nutella, we don't want it being too dry, some table salt, some bread, and also some guinea pig food for extra crunch.
As you can see, I'm in a rainforest now, but I should be home just in time for tea. Oh, it's much warmer here. Sloth, how's it coming along?
Pretty good. First, get your pieces of bread and put some cheese on. Next, spread your Nutella like this. Sprinkle some chili flakes. Ooh, spicy. Sprinkle your fishy food. Just a pinch of flour. Little bit of salt. Some delicious guinea pig food. 1 raw egg. It looks a bit dry, so I'm just going to add some ketchup. And some mustard. Delicious. I've just added a sprinkling more flour because I didn't think it looked quite good enough.
I've just popped to the desert, but I should be home in about 10 minutes. See you soon, Sloth.
Oh, I better get this tidied up quick. I don't think she's going to be happy. Then just pop your sandwich onto a plate to enjoy.
Sloth, is that the cheese sandwich you were meant to make for me?
Yes.
Well, it looks delicious, but I think I might have to make my own.
Suit yourself, more for me.
Warning, for sloth consumption only.